Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So today guys, I'm going to be changing my Vauxhall Corsa D 2009 standard indicator front light bulbs. Basically guys, all cars nowadays come with these bright orange indicators in the front of the lights, and they just stand out so much. Everyone always comments about it, saying you need to change these indicators to a different style because the orange is too much. It's just one thing that stands out so much in the Corsa, and I understand what everyone means about it because I hate it as much as everyone else does. So what I'm going to be doing today guys is I'm going to be changing the Corsa bright orange standard light bulbs to these chrome bulbs instead. Only cost about £5 to £10 to change, and it's just going to make the car's appearance just look a little bit better than what it already does now. And you're not going to have some bright orange bulb just standing out right in front of you and being the first thing you see on the car, which everyone does guys, and let's all be honest, it doesn't suit it. Alright guys, so here are the bulbs here. So they're a 12 volt and 21 watt. It's from Simply Bulbs, and they're a chrome bulb instead of the orange. So you just want to open it up. Obviously there is an orange tint if you go right into it, but it's got the chrome outlining on, painted around it so it doesn't stand out so much being orange. Alright guys, so now we are outside of the car. As you can see here, this is what I'm on about with the 2009 Corsa bulbs. And as you can see, it is literally one of the main things that sticks out so much in the Corsa, and that is what I want to change today. So as you can see there, it's just bright orange and it reflects on the chrome as well, and that's why it stands out so much, because obviously the chrome is a mirror. So that is why we're changing it today, because everyone comments on the video saying change those indicator bulbs, and that is what I'm going to be doing today guys. All we need to do is open the car up, pop the bonnet, and now all you need to do is there's a little turning switch there, and all you want to do is literally turn it like that and pull it out, and there you have it guys. That is literally all you have to do. Obviously guys, that is it now without it in, so it should just look like that with a little hole in it. Push down like this and twist it to the right, and it should just pop out. So there's the old one. That is the difference between the new one. So all you need to do now is plug the new one back into that. Just get the new one in the right position, push it in and tilt it back left so it's in properly. And all you need to do now is just put it in like that and tilt it back left so you can't pull it back out. And there you have it. That is the new chrome bulbs without the bright orange on it anymore. So there's the left, and on the right is the new ones. Obviously there is the tiniest little bit of orange, and that's going to happen anyway because any indicator is orange underneath the chrome's paint. So I just put the bonnet back down. There is a side-by-side comparison between the left and the right, and obviously it doesn't reflect loads of orange off now because it's not full orange bulb. So where the chrome mirror is on this side, where it just reflects, if you move it at different angles, it can't do that anymore because of the chrome's paint on the bulb. But definitely do that to your Corsa if you haven't already, as it just makes it look so much better like that, and it is literally one of the easiest mods to do to your car. What I'm going to do now guys is, now that it's installed, I'm going to show you what it looks like side by side with the original bulb and the new chrome bulb. So all we need to do is just turn the car on, not fully, but just so you can do the electrics. So as you can see, that's the right one, and that is the original bulb. So as you can see now, that is it there. Put it onto the left now on the new chrome one. Guys, one thing I do want to mention as well is you want to make sure you have put them in properly, because if you haven't, the standard one looks like this. It should do this. But if you have put them in wrong, it may do this and start repeating really fast with the sound as well. You want it to do that, so make sure, guys, that you have actually put this in properly, otherwise it may just keep doing that. And obviously the indicator itself won't flash at all if it's put in wrong, and if it's doing the really rapid movement, you don't want that. So basically, if it does do that, take it out and try it again, and if it doesn't work, your bulbs might be faulty, but really it should just be the fact that you might have put them in wrong. So if it does do that, guys, with the repeated flashing, make sure that once you've put it in, you want to make sure it is fully tightened back to the left towards you. At this side of the car, obviously you want to make sure it's all the way back so it doesn't come loose, because that is why it will repeatedly keep flashing. So if I do it again now, as you can see, it is back to normal like it is on the other side. So now it is all fixed, guys, and that's the reason why it will do that, unless your bulbs are obviously faulty. That's how to resolve that. These are the standard Corsa ones, and these are the chrome new ones that we've just installed. They're not as bright, but it is literally so much nicer to look at a chrome bulb than it is the original bright orange one that you can see now. And obviously it still goes orange, as it should, just like that one there. Just now you can look at it, it's not going to have a bright orange bulb shining right at you. Now it's just normal. All you have to do, lift the bonnet up, unscrew the back light piece there, take the bulb out, change it with a new chrome bulb, and it is done and ready to go. And make sure it's all tightened up properly as well, guys. This is the Corsa standard one, and this is a new chrome bulb one, as you've just seen. That is them side by side. You can tell the difference just with the chrome on top. It's just crazy. What you do is lift the bonnet up, put the bonnet up just here, turn that towards you, pull it out, as easy as that. What you do is push the bulb in, twist it, and you're done. And you're ready to put the new chrome bulb in. Get it in the right position to where you can see the little dot, and it is in place, all ready to be installed. So then, once you've done that, it should look like that with a little hole in it. What you want to do is get it back in the right place. Literally just turn it back and it is done. Just as easy as that. It should look exactly like that once it's tightened. If we're just going to check the indicators now, make sure it's not doing a rapid clicking again, which is not, so it's absolutely fine. So if we go and have a look, it should work just fine, which it is again with the other side. So that is a success, guys. We have done it. And that's what it looks like and should look like if it's done properly. So yeah, guys, I definitely recommend doing this to your car if it's your first car, because everyone goes on about the orange bulbs and how annoying they look and how much they just stand out when you're looking at the car. So I'd definitely change it like I've done in this video, the exact same way I've done it, and it should go perfectly and work just fine if you do it the same way, just like mine is on both settings like that. So it's all working, the hazards work fine as well. So it's all good to go and ready to be back on the road, obviously. Alright guys, so thanks for watching this video. I hope it did help you in some sort of way. That is a new chrome indicators installed on the front lights. If you have any other video suggestions you want to see me do to this car in a future video, just comment it down below, guys, and I'll try my best to make it happen. If you have any questions of where I got these bulbs from, guys, they'll be in the link of description down below or pinned at the top comment on the video, guys, with a description where you can just click straight on and it'll take you to the exact website where I got these from. And I hope you all enjoyed. And that is it from me today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one.